Welcome back to John Kleis Car. My name is Max. Today I'm sat in a SKODA Yeti, about a 2013 plate, and it's come in because the factory head unit had gone faulty, touchscreen stopped working, so naturally it came to us for a new head unit, which is much better than the standard one. Let me spin it around and show you the new KENWOOD 8021DABS. Looks a little bit like this. Now in this vehicle it has steering wheel controls. We keep these working with the new stereo so they can adjust the volume and they can skip forward and backwards tracks. And also we use a nice flush fitting fascia kit which looks nice and tidy, as you can see, so it all fits in very neatly. Also on this side of the window we have a DAB antenna. This little antenna allows the customer to pick up DAB reception, as this car didn't have any DAB from standard. Going back around to the head unit, it sits in the dash like so. A little touch that we do when the head unit turns on when you get into the car. Oh, we have a nice little SKODA logo. Just helps give it a little bit more of that factory kind of feel. So that logo will just pop up. Now other features that we have to retain on the cars, like the park pilot system, so if I pop this into reverse, we will get the parking sensor information come up on the screen. If I drive towards said object, you'll see that this will basically come up and show you what the factory system showed before, just in a slightly different manner. When you adjust the AC controls on this, it's quite nice because you get a bit of information on the screen, and that information will stay for about several seconds or so, and then it will just simply go away. But just shows you like the temperature, what settings you're on, the heated seats on, things like that. So yeah, just a nice little feature. Here we have Apple CarPlay working on the factory screen. Apple CarPlay on this unit works really nicely, nice capacitive display. And yeah, Apple CarPlay, obviously a much nicer way of using your phone, with maps as well, much better way of using this type of navigation than any built-in navigation. And yeah, all the good things like Spotify, Tidal for us, Waze, Google Maps. That is a very brief look at Apple CarPlay. If I press home, this is what the home screen of the stereo looks like, where you've got access to the radio, where you can listen to your DAB, you can save your presets down the side there, check what's saved in, and search for a new station in here. Let's just turn that down. I mean, you can add HDMI to these head units if you want to put a fire stick in the glove box. This customer actually already made himself a little USB flush. We actually normally do that anyway, but customer happened to make his own. So his USB for the head unit is linked up to that. If you've got a factory USB, we'll normally mount it in there, but this car didn't have one as standard. That's pretty much it. I'm wrapping it up there. This is SKODA Yeti. About a 2013 year, and we've upgraded to have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. By the way, this head unit's got a 3-year warranty at the moment when fitted by your KENWOOD Premier dealer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.